I'm Kyle Vanderveer, I'm the founder of Intrism, and this is Intrism Icon. In this video, I'm going to go through everything you need to know about this product and if it's the right one for you. Starting with the box, it includes everything you need to build, play, and display Intrism Icon. It has 4 wooden sheets, 2 clear covers, a marble, and the assembly guide. The assembly guide is also available online and in multiple languages. In total, there are 84 pieces included in the box, and it should take anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to build. The building process is very simple following the assembly guide. Every piece just snaps together, and you don't need glue or tools. We've already included a few extra pieces in the box, but if you were to break a piece that's not included, we have extras available for free on our website. When you're done assembling the wooden part of the build, you'll take the 2 clear covers and peel off the film on both sides of those, and those go on the front and the back of the model. This keeps the marble contained while you're solving it, while allowing you to see where it is. So once you've built it, it's time to solve the marble maze. Intrism Icon is the first model we have where the marble can come completely out of the puzzle. This allows for a greater sense of accomplishment once you've solved it. With the marble out of the puzzle, you can enter the marble into the puzzle and then start solving. There's 2 layers in Intrism Icon, and the marble passes between the 2 layers at many points throughout the maze. You'll tilt from one side to the other, with your goal being to get the marble to the very center. Even though with Intrism Icon you can't fall off the track like Intrism Pro or Mini, it's still very challenging. Traveling between the 2 layers with the marble and constantly flipping it around makes this a lot trickier than most people would think just looking at it. Once you do have the marble in the middle, that's a great time to hang it on the wall and display it. With Intrism Icon up on the wall, it's super eye-catching, so once a friend or family member sees it, you can easily take it down from the wall and hand it to them and challenge them to get the marble out. We've also included an optional piece that if you leave out makes the marble maze a little bit easier to solve. With the addition of this piece, this becomes our first model where you can tailor the difficulty of the maze to your preference. In addition to being able to hang on a wall, Intrism Icon can also be displayed vertically like this or flat on a desk like this. That's a quick overview of Intrism Icon. If you or a family member are looking for a puzzle that's approachable yet very eye-catching that you can display on a wall, this is the one for you.